Let's continue the previous lesson. Lesson 1, the tattered blanket. So Gopi was the son, and he came to Thiruvananthapuram after a long time, and on the way he thought to visit his house and see Amma, his mother. But he was an irresponsible son. So mother, as she was very old, nearly 85 years, so she has amnesia disease and she forgot everything. After seeing her son also, she can't remember. And again she is writing, she is saying that does his son writes a letter every day? Then in Kamala, his daughter, her elder daughter, saying that yes, he writes every day. Now also we got a letter. So I'm terribly upset if we don't get a letter from him every day. Then Amma is saying that I will be terribly upset if I don't get a letter from her son. So Amma loves her son very much, but son won't love his Amma. Okay. He knows it. That's why he writes every day. But he won't write actually any letter. But Kamala don't want to see her mother upset. So every day she says that yes, Gopi writes a letter every day. Okay. Look at the way she talks. Gopi's sister turned to him. Just as I told you, you know nothing about what's going on here, do you? And she's talking with Gopi and said that you don't know anything what is going on here. See how she is talking. She forgot everything and she can't even recognize you. Who is that? Amma said again. Who is that in a car? Gopi already said to her that he is Gopi, he is his son. But even again she is asking who is that, who came by car, like that she is asking. It's me, Gopi said. I had to come Thiruvananthapuram. I thought I should drop in to see you, Amma. Again he is repeating, I came to Thiruvananthapuram for to attend a meeting, and on the way I thought to see you. That's why I dropped here, like that he is again saying. Who is your Amma? What is her name? Where does she live? Is it far from here? Like that she is asking. She don't know that she herself is his Amma. Okay, she is saying that who is your Amma? What is her name? Like that she is asking. No, it is quite near. So he thought he is helpless. He can't explain her. So that's why Gopi said that it is quite near. I don't know how I can bring back her memory. Gopi sister said him exasperately. So Kamala is saying that I don't know how can I bring back her memory. I think we can't bring the memory of such old people, because as we grow older, one by one all the organs stop working. So first they will exhaust, means their working efficiency reduces gradually as they work for longer time. Heart, maybe kidneys or liver, lungs, brain, okay, all the organs slowly, okay, day by day, year by year, their working efficiency will reduce, and finally they stop work completely. Then the person die naturally. This is the natural death. Okay. So we can't bring their memory back. Okay. So exasperately means helpless condition. Okay. Gopi placed his briefcase on the tinna. He opened it and pulled out the contents: clothes, files, a shaving set. So he kept his briefcase on the tinna and elevated place. No, tinna means, so he removed his clothes, shaving set, etc. And do you know my son Gopi? Amma asked him. He is in Delhi, a government officer. He has a Kesari Yogam. He draws a salary of 2,500 rupees. Do you know him? So here Amma is again saying to him, do you know my son? His name is Gopi. He lives in Delhi. He is a government officer and he has Kesari Yoga, means very good position. And he draws 2,500 salary. In those days, 2,500 means I think nearly 2.5 lakhs now today. Okay. Yes, I know him. Tell him to send me a blanket. There is a cold mist in the morning. If I cold catch, it doesn't leave me for a longer time. Mama is saying that tell him to send me a blanket, because maybe it was winter season that time. So cold, dew, mist, fog in the morning. If I catch cold, it won't leave me So I need a blanket, like that she was saying. Tell him to send a blanket, won't you? A red one. I had a blanket, the one he brought for me when he was studying in Madras. So the mother is saying to bring her the old torn out blanket. So she bought that when Gopi was studying in Madras. But now maybe it was all tattered and just a ball of knotted yarn. Tell him to send me that red blanket. She is not asking a new one, see here. She is asking the same old red blanket. I'll tell him, he nodded. Please don't forget to tell him the mist is not good for me. So I think I'll stretch myself out for a bit. I have been sitting too long in the armchair. I have a pain in the neck. So then she said that please don't forget. So the mist is not good for me. I think I have stretched myself out a bit because I'm sitting here since too long time and I have pain in the neck also. Gopi's sister put Amma to bed and came back to veranda. See, now also Gopi is not at all helping his mother. So Gopi's sister only took her and laid her on the bed, and again she came back. She came back to veranda to talk with the Gopi. You don't come to see Amma, did you? She knew that he came on some purpose, not particularly or not specially to see Amma, because I think 5-6 years have been happened. He didn't come. He never wrote any letter. So now he came means maybe on some purpose, isn't it? Delhi is too expensive. You know, I have 4 children to look after now. I can't make both ends meet with my salary, and one I have to keep up one status. So it will be a great help if I can raise some money by selling my share of family property. So I came to talk it over with you. So this is the reason why he came, not to see his Amma. He wanted to sell his property, share of property. Okay. He is saying that he had 4 children and he has to take care of all the 4 children, and he has to keep his status also because he is a government officer. So he want to sell the property. So Kamala got very angry. You sell your land and go away with money. I know you won't come here anymore after that. And very angrily she said that, okay, sell your land and go away. And I think that you won't come here again. Don't say that I'll come when I get time. He's saying that, no, don't say that I'll come again when I get the time. Your time, when you get the time. So when do you get the time? He saw the irritation on sister's face. It took you more than 5 years to find time to come here. Amma is 83 now. So she is 83 years it seems. Okay. I told her maybe she is near 85. Okay. I don't think she'll pull on much longer. So it took you so long to visit her after long time. So she is saying that now Amma is 83. If you come after 5 or 6, 7 years later, she will not be here. She will be no more. She will die. Maybe she want to inform about her death or not, we don't know. I think she won't inform to him because what he will do after death. If you want to take care, we have to take care of parents when they are alive, not after their death. No. But Amma can't remember who I am, he said, smiling feebly. So he said that, okay, what is the use? He's saying, see, he is giving lame excuse. He's saying that, what is the use even if I come? She is unable to recognize as though he came here every year or every 6 months. Now he's saying that, what is the use if even if I come? But Kamal asked that, do you remember your Amma? Okay, she gone old, she forgot, she has disease, she forgot. Okay, but do you remember Amma? You are quite fit now. But do you remember Amma? So she was asking such a question to Gopi. So the name of the lesson, tattered blanket, no? So the position of the tattered blanket shows the situation of Amma's heart. See, when the children do not take care of parents, their heart will be like a tattered blanket only. Okay. So they love their children very much. Their love will not change. Even when they are very small, months baby. Okay. infants, or when they grow up, younger people, or when they come to even middle age also. Their love never changes. They love in the same way, isn't it? But children already changes. When they are very too young, infants, they need love of mother. They will always stick to the mother. Is it not? And they take all the benefits from the parents. But when they grow old, young, teenage, they won't listen to the parents. And when they able to earn their money, and after marriage, they leave parents on the roads. They won't take care of the parents. So this is the condition. So this lesson so shows the situation of the parents and the heart of the children. Okay. So by this I have completed the lesson, and again on Monday like that I'll explain the vocabulary. Okay. So all have to read the lesson and learn the meanings also. Okay. That's all for today. Have a good day.